The famous Congress leader and member of parliament from Wayanad, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has recently disqualified from the Lok Sabha. Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Bajpayee, and today I will be talking about all the constitutional aspect and all the historical background of this infamous case. So first of all, in this video, what I am going to talk about is what is this case and why his membership has been cancelled, and what are the constitutional grounds on which his membership has been cancelled, and what are the political games which are happening behind this. So talking one by one, let me talk about the Election Commission of India. As you all know, all the election in this country, whether it is about the state legislature to selecting MPs, and from selecting the vice president to president of India, everything is comes under Election Commission of India. And this Election Commission of India comes under Part 15 of the Indian Constitution, from Article 324 to Article 329A. And what are the functions of this Election Commission? Election Commission ensures superintendence, direction, and proper conduct of election. It ensures democracy as all the members of Election Commission are not directly appointed by the executive. It ensures a proper conduct and free will of elections has to be taken place. It creates a proper framework for smooth conducting of elections. In fact, the employees or the person which is chooses for all the elections are from different services background, so there is no chance that people get bribed or any kind of malpractices should be taken place. So all these are functions of Election Commission. So let us talk about a bit detail about this Election Commission. Let us think about, as you all know, I am an engineer and I will be explaining you things in a more logical and more crisp way. Let us talk about a car. A car is made up of two basic things. One is the outer structure and the bottom thing is the engine. So what is Election Commission? Election Commission is the outer surface of a car. It is a chassis of a car, and main engine is Representation of People Act. These Election Commission formed two acts, Representations of People Act 1950 and Representation of Peoples Act 1951. These two acts are statutory bodies. These provide proper framework and proper mechanism of elections. So first of all, talking about 1950, the RP 1950. The RP 1950 is the pre-election things. It means whatever things are happening before election, like distributing the election symbols, distributing the political, uh, like everything which is happening before election, whether it is qualification of voters, preparation of electoral rolls, or giving election symbols to candidates. All this comes under ROPA 1950, Representation of People's Act 1950. And the most important act is Representation of People's Act 1951. It ensures the actual conduct of election. ROPA 51, ROPA 50 talks about the pre-election things, and ROPA 51 talks about actual conduct of election and whatever things are happening in that total election process. So it ensures proper conduct of election, administrative machinery, election offences. And yes, this is the most important thing, and this is the main important point of discussion. Election offences. It comes under the section 123 of ROPA 1951. In this section 123, the things which comes are bribery, undue influence, freebies, enmity, hatred, sati glorification, and religious symbols, and so many other things. Whatever malpractices is done during the election process comes under this section 123. And the crime or the thing which is done by Rahul Gandhi is he spread hatred or enmity against a particular community, that was the Modi community, and the Modi community filed a case against him because Rahul Gandhi was particularly targeting Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, but he chose some bad words like thief and all the entire Modi community. So the Modi community filed a case against him, and recently the court filed court find him guilty, and due to that his membership has been cancelled. And let us talk about why there are so many MPs in the Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha and in the state legislatures who are undergoing criminal charges, but still they are sitting MPs and sitting MLAs, but still why their election has been not cancelled, why their membership has been not taken, and why Rahul Gandhi's, for just one derogatory remark, his membership has been taken away. So, in the section 8 of ROPA 1951, it talks about all the punishments. If the court find you guilty and punish you for 2 years, if they are punishing you less than 2 years, then your membership will not get cancelled. But if they are charging you for 2 years, they are finding you guilty and they are punishing you for 2 or more years, then your membership is going to be cancelled, and the final decision is to be taken by the speaker of the Lok Sabha or whatever house from which that particular person is MP of. So Rahul Gandhi was MP from Wayanad, and the speaker taken his decision and he disqualified him from his seat. So after this, Rahul Gandhi is going to file a plea against the court decision, or he may file a plea against the speaker's decision. But this is all picture that three things come into play. ROPA 1951, which talks about all the during election things or actual conduct of election, and section 123 of ROPA 1951 talks about the misconduct or the hatred or the spread of enmity. In this, Rahul Gandhi was held, and section 8 at last punish you. Section 8 disqualified people on certain offences. So these are the reasons why Rahul Gandhi's seat has been taken away, and whatever thing is going to happen in Wayanad comes under ROPA 1950 again. By-election are going to happen, most probably by-election are going to happen, and it will come again under ROPA 1950. So I hope you got some idea about it. So being an aware citizen of this country, you should have knowledge about all those things and see things in a rational way. And there are some point of discussion why the court has given him punishment for 2 years. They would have given him punishment less than 2 years, then in that case his membership has not been taken away. And one more point of concern is why the speaker gave his decision in a very hurry mood. So these are the few things which raise point of contention for BJP party. So all this from my side. I hope you understood so many things from this video, and if you like this, share among your friends and family, and let me know if you have any kind of doubt. Mention them in the comment section. Till then, goodbye.